Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your device. Enable unknown sources so installs outside the Play Store can run. Once done, transfer Vanced Manager APK and Micro G to the TV via USB, network share, or a DB. Make sure file permissions are intact. Now open a trusted file manager and launch the Vanced Manager APK. This starts the installer flow. You're taking control early, so the later steps only require selecting components instead of troubleshooting permission errors. Next, run Vanced Manager and install Micro G first so YouTube login works. Without it, you'll be stuck in guest mode. Then choose the non-root or root variant depending on how your TV is set up, and pick any theme or 16:9 layout options. Make sure to accept overlay and storage permissions when prompted so background playback and downloads function properly. After installation, sign into your Google account via Micro G. This links subscriptions, playlists, and history to the patched app. Finally, open Vanced YouTube and verify ad blocking, background playback, and your account sync. If login fails, clear Micro G data or reinstall it. Micro G issues are the most common blocker. If the app crashes or UI is broken, switch to the non-root build or reset Vanced settings, and use ADB Logcat to capture errors if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: always install Micro G before Vanced and confirm unknown sources. That prevents most login and stability problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.